Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what you're going to be adding to your glycerine. If you have a glycerine, okay, this is actually going to be the bomb. It's going to be the fire. Yeah. Okay, so glycerine alone helps maintain the skin. Now adding this natural ingredient to the glycerine would help you know make your skin look like mirror. Okay guys, so if you want to know what the ingredients is, stay put. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me take you right in. So this is my glycerine and rose water, and glycerine and rose water is great. It calms the redness of the skin, and it also helps to reduce your inflamed skin. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting just a little of this, about half of a tablespoon. Okay, and let me show you what I had to my glycerine to give me that glow. Okay guys, so I have here egg, and it's okay, and it also helps to reduce the size of the pores. So I'm actually going to be sorry, just the egg whites. The egg whites is actually what I'm basically needing for this. Okay, so after putting that together, I'll then mix it up. Okay guys, so I have cucumber. Now cucumber helps so much in reducing or removing your wrinkles and fine lines. It works in repairing your skin by removing the appearances of dark spots, age spots, and a puffy eye. So I'm gonna be blending it, yeah. So I'll blend. Okay guys, so now I would have to be sieving out the juice of this cucumber. Getting a bowl, and then I'm going to be turning the cucumber into a sieve and sieve out the juice. Okay guys, so this is the cucumber juice, and I'm gonna be turning that into the egg whites, and then I would have to stir. Alright, so to make this even better, we're going to be needing rice powder. So I'm actually going to be putting just a little bit of rice powder here, because rice powder is great in repairing the lost energy on the skin. It helps to lighten up the skin, and it also helps to remove pigmentations and repair the skin from sun damage. Okay, so now I would have to mix it, but it's not going to be properly mixed just like you see here, but I'm going to be using my manual mixer to mix this. So I'm actually going to be using my manual mixer, and I'm going to be mixing this together. Okay guys, so we're gonna be needing tomato, and tomato helps so much to remove unwanted hair, and it helps to rejuvenate and lighten up the skin. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to be cutting the tomato and I'm gonna be blending it equally. Okay guys, so now I would have to be sieving the tomato out also. And then I'm gonna be putting the tomato into this other mixture, and now I'll mix it really well. And here we go. So here we have our remedy. Okay guys, so this is my treatment, and I'm gonna be applying it generously onto my face. Okay, so your treatment is bomb when you actually leave it to dry. Yeah, it's gonna be bomb. Yeah, so I have one boil here. I don't know if you can see that, but I know it's gonna go. This treatment is not treatment for boil. I'm actually gonna be making a treatment for boil, so I can can you see that? Yeah. So I'm actually gonna be making a treatment for boils so that can actually go. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be leaving it and it's gonna dry. When it dries, like look at how sweet my skin is. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay guys, so you leave it, and then after that, then you go wash it. Now you can actually decide to scrub it, because I'm actually doing it this way. There are some particles in it, yeah, which would enable me, scrub my face. Scrubbing is gonna be it's gonna be great when you actually scrub, yes, so that it will just lift up all of those dead skin, and renew your skin and make your skin supple and soft and really glowing. Okay, so after that I'm gonna go wash my face when it's dry, and I'll be right back guys. Guys, so that's it. Just add that and have a polished, clear tone and a more brighter skin. So if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Stay beautiful and ciao.